Okay, so if you're following along, I just started, I'm on day 1 of my sourdough starter, and for my recipe, it called for 60 grams of the whole wheat flour and 60 grams of warm water. Now, I'm going to take y'all along with me because I'm learning. I know nothing about sourdough besides what the videos that I've watched. And one thing that I noticed in a lot of the videos was that a lot of people don't talk about the consistency of how you want this to look. And I know from looking at a few videos that I just watched that this is way too thick and gummy. So I need to add a little bit more water, but do it sparingly. Of course, it's not a big deal. If you end up putting too much warm water, then you can add more flour. So I'm just gonna just a little bit of flour. And I will eventually get something to hold my phone, but for right now it's just me and my hand doing this, so bear with me. So let me actually just set this down. Okay, now we can do this. Just get on in there, mix it all up. So I've seen a lot of people say that you want it to be like a thick pancake batter. Kind of dense, but still where it's stirrable, if that makes sense. And I think this is a lot better. And I think also too, because it's a whole wheat flour, that's why it maybe does a little bit different than people that use the unbleached, just regular bread flour. So I'm just gonna assume that that's why maybe it's a little bit different consistency. But this is looking much better than it was. Much more liquidy than it was in the beginning. It was a lot more gummy and dense. So, you know, we're learning. So I'm gonna start off with this, and I'm just gonna clean off the sides. Why? Because that's what everybody else does, and you know, I'm a visual learner, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just cleaning off the sides. And again, this is day 1. Like I said, 60 grams of water, 60 grams of whole wheat flour or unbleached regular flour. And then it says that you should feed your starter at the same time each day. My life is kind of hectic, so that's probably not going to happen, but I'm going to set an alarm. It's 10 o'clock, so I don't know that I'll be doing this every night at 10 o'clock, but I'm going to set a alarm for that time and try to stick to that. But yeah, so I'm going to just place a rubber band around this, and then I will see y'all tomorrow on day 2. Very first sourdough starter, very first time trying to do this.